Good evening, students. Hope you can hear me. I would like to welcome you all to the SFS Academy free webinar about MAPQS. I'm Deshika Peris, instructor at the SFS Academy. We snapferd Private Limited is the professional career development institute started in year 2008. With over 15 years of experience, we are proud to have trained over 13,000 students and 1,000 professionals across Sri Lanka. At SFS Academy, we offer more than 50 specialized training programs and 20 certificate programs related to architecture, engineering, and construction. We have three main branches. One is located in Colombo and another one is located in Moratuwa, and we have a branch in Galle as well. So, as I said earlier, we are conducting programs related to architecture, engineering, and construction. So, in engineering, we are mainly focused on civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering. So, regarding, we are conducting courses related to these three categories. We SFS Academy is an authorized training center in Autodesk. So it means we have the direct authorization from the Autodesk in USA. So so all the certificates we are issuing it directly from the Autodesk USA, and also SFS Academy is registered under Tertiary and Vocational Education Commission Sri Lanka. තෘතීක හා වෘත්තීය අධ්‍යාපන කොමිෂන් සභාවෙත් ලියාපදිංචි ආයතනයක් තමයි SFS Academy කියලා කියන්නේ. So all the courses under TVEC, it means Tertiary and Vocational Education Commission Sri Lanka, the certificate is directly from them. So when you are going to their website, to TVEC website, you can by entering your NIC number, you can see your details. It means the courses you are following under TX, you can see on their website under your name, under your national ID. So that is one advantage you will receive from SFS Academy. And also SFS Academy is institute which is registered under Certipol. So we have the authorized, we are also an authorized testing center. And also, if I talk about more about the Autodesk is an American multinational software corporation that makes software products and services for the architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, media, education, and entertainment industries. So, Autodesk is a company which creates softwares for these industries. So, at SFS Academy, we are providing courses related to the Autodesk. So, SFS Academy is the first and sole authorized center in Autodesk since 2018. So we are the first academy in Sri Lanka who received the Autodesk authorization. Here you can see the Autodesk accreditation. So this is the accreditation we received from the Autodesk, and here you can see the TVEC accreditation. Why you should choose SFS Academy? As I told before, SFS Academy is an authorized training center. And also, we have Autodesk certified professional instructors. So, most of our instructors are Autodesk certified professionals. So, uh, uh, they are well qualified lecturers. So most of them have completed their masters, bachelors, and also they have a certification from the Autodesk as well. And also we are internationally we are providing internationally recognized certificate. So certificate is directly from the Autodesk. So it is recognized locally as well as globally. And also at SFS Academy, we are providing courses uh, courses the way you want. So if you need to complete your course as soon as possible, we can arrange you the fast track program. So we are here for your requirements and we are here to help for your needs and requirements. And also at SFS Academy, we are providing you special discounts we are providing special discounts for corporates and groups. So, and also we are having installment basis payment plans. So, for the payments discounts, you can contact our course coordinator. I will show her number in the latter part of the session. So, the the why you choose SFS Academy is the reputation. SFS Academy is one of the reputed institution in Sri Lanka which provide valid certificates and provide the knowledge for the students. So yeah, we are referring the world class manual for the international standards. So uh, so we have a curriculum which is specially developed using the world class references. Okay, so sorry for that actually. Then our training programs are specially designed for kids, school leavers, university students, and industry professionals. So if you are in these categories, you can follow the courses at the SFS Academy. So we are providing courses uh, in certificate level, diploma level, NVQ level, professional level, as well as the master diploma level. So under these categories, we are providing our courses. So if I talk about the courses at the SFS, so these are the courses we are provide under the Autodesk. So Autodesk AEC software. So AC means architectural, engineering and construction related software. So AutoCAD, one is the AutoCAD 2D plus 3D, AutoCAD Electrical, Revit Architecture, Revit Structure, Revit MEP, 3ds Max, Maya, Inventor, Fusion 360, BIM 360, Navisworks, Civil 3D, Robot Structural Analysis, Advanced Steel, Eagle. So these are the softwares we are trained at the SFS Academy. For these courses, you will receive the certificate directly from the Autodesk USA. And we are offering NVQ programs as well for interior designing, draft person, quantity surveyor, information communication technology, graphic designing. So for interior designing, we are the only private institute who offers the diploma in interior designing. We are having courses related to project planning and management as well. So the courses are CPM Concepts, Microsoft Project Professional, Oracle Primavera Basic. We have industry-specific programs. They are SolidWorks, 3D printing, refrigeration and air conditioning, STAT Pro, and ANSYS Civil, SAP 2000, ETABS, SketchUp and Lumion, Dynamo, Tekla Structures, MEP QS, Civil QS, Occupational Health and Safety, Tinkercad. So these are the industry-specific programs. So today you will able to get a session from one of our lectures about the MEP QS after the introduction of the SFS Academy. And also in SFS Academy, we are providing the professional qualifications as well. So if you want to be an Autodesk certified user, so Autodesk certified user is an industry recognized qualification that helps for students to effectively start their career. So these certifications enhance students' resumes by providing evidence of competency and proficiency. So for these areas, if you want to become a certified user in AutoCAD, Revit Architecture, 3ds Max, Maya, Inventor, Fusion 360, you can you can do the Autodesk certified user examination at our center. We have also Autodesk certified professional. So if you have the advanced skills and the ability to solve complex challenges in workflow and design, this professional level certification will help you to stand out and succeed in the competitive job market. So if you are very talented in these areas, you can get the Autodesk certified professional certificate from our academy. So why Autodesk certifications? Why this will help you? Actually, we all know the engineering industry or this construction industry is a competitive, it has become a competitive industry. So to rely on this industry, it is really important for you to have extra qualification. Nowadays, it will not just enough to have a bachelor in your specific area. So if you have extra knowledge and if you have extra certifications, if you have industry related qualification, then you will be a person who is well recognized, right? So you can give a good you can build up your resume and you can succeed in your career. So that's why these Autodesk certifications are important for you. So for example, if you are a architectural student, so if you have completed the AutoCAD or Revit program, that will add an added advantage for yourselves, so that these programs have created to build and improve your skills in the architectural, engineering, and construction field. So that's why these certifications are important for you. So these are the certificates of these are the completion certificates you will receive at the end. So this certificate is the one you will receive after the MEP QS course. Actually, um, this is a certificate which is offers from the TVEC. So here you can see a serial number, barcode. So by using this, you can uh, prove this is a certificate from the TVEC. So as the TVEC, if you have a certificate from TVEC, it it means your qualification is recognized from the Foreign Bureau as well. Foreign Bureau කියලා කියන්නේ විදේශ සේවා නියුක්ති කාර්යාංශය. So විදේශ සේවා නියුක්ති කාර්යාංශය මගිනුත් අනුමත සහතිකයක් ඔයාලට හම්බ වෙනවා MEP QS අවසානයේදී. එතකොට මේක ත්‍රිතීක හා වෘත්තීය අධ්‍යාපන කොමිෂන් සභාව මගින් ඔයාලට නිකුත් කරන පාඨමාලාවක්. එතකොට මේ සහතික පත්‍රයත් ඔයාලට හම්බ වෙනවා ඔයාලගේ පාඨමාලාව සාර්ථකව අවසන් කිරීමෙන් පසුව. මේ තියෙන්නේ so මේක තමයි Autodesk certification එක. This is the certificate you will receive from the Autodesk USA. So for the MEP QS you will receive the TVEC certificate. So here are some field trips and other extracurricular activities we have conducted from the SFS Academy. So at the end of every year, we are conducting a award ceremony to appreciate our students. So if you can be an outstanding student at our SFS Academy, you will be able to participate or you will be able to join our SFS award ceremony. So SFS Academy, we are here to provide opportunities for our students. So we are having vacancies on assistant lecturer, graphic designer, ICT trainer, administration trainer, assistant accountant, marketing trainer, and many more. So this is a brief introduction about our academy. So if I talk about the MEP QS course, so this is a 3-month course. MEP QS course එක මාස 3ක පාඨමාලාවක්. ඒක අපි online උත් පවත්වනවා. ඒ වගේම physical lectures උත් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලට online පහසු නම් එහෙම පාඨමාලාවට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලා කැමති නම් ඇවිත් ඉගෙන ගන්න. ඔයාලට අපේ මොරටුව branch එකට එන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට අපි online පාඨමාලා පටන් ගන්නවා මැයි 24 වෙනිදා සෙනසුරාදා රාත්‍රී 7 ඉඳන් 9 වෙනකම්. එතකොට ෆිසිකල් පන්ති අපි පටන් ගන්නවා ජූනි 1 ඉරිදා මොරටුව සෙන්ටර් එකේදී 1:30 ඉඳන් 4:30 වෙනකම්. So we will conduct the MEP QS course through online as well as physical. So if you would like to join to online classes, it will start on 24th May, Saturday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. If you would like to to participate for the physical classes, you can join us from 1st of June, Sunday, at Moratuwa branch from 1:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So if I talk about the course fee, you will receive an amazing discount this time for 25% off, as well as you can pay it in 3 installments. Okay. Our registration fee is 2,000. So normally the course fee is 46,000, but with this 25% discount, you will get this course only for 34,500. So you can pay it as an installment. As the first installment is 11,500. As the second installment is 11,500. As the third installment, you can pay as 11,500. So you will receive a saving of 11,500. So this offer valid until 21st May 2025. So if you would like to join us groups, okay, so this is applicable. This is specially applicable for undergraduate students, university students. So if you would like to join us groups, we are here to give you discounts up to 50%. We have some terms and conditions regarding this. So if you are registering before 21st by paying only the registration fee, you will only receive 5% discount. But if you are if you are registering by paying the first installment, only you will get the 25% discount. You have to make 2,000 plus 11,500, then we will give you the 25% discount. Okay. So if I tell it in Sinhala as well, ඔයාලට වටිනා අවස්ථාවක් හම්බ වෙලා තියෙනවා SFS Academy එකෙන් MEP QS course එකට. එතකොට ඔයාලට හම්බ වෙලා තියෙනවා 25%ක discount එකක්. normal course fee එක වෙනවා 46,000ක්. හැබැයි මේ 25% discount එක නිසා ඔයාලට මේ ස්පෙෂල් ඔෆර් එක නිසා ඔයාලට කෝස් එක මේ පාර 34,500කට ෆලෝ කරන්න chance එක හම්බ වෙලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඔයාලට වාරික වශයෙන් ගෙවන්න පුළුවන් 11,500 බැගින් තුන් පාරකට. එතකොට ඔයාලට 11,500ක ඉතිරියක් වෙලා තියෙනවා. මේ ඔෆර් එක ඔයාලට තියෙන්නේ මැයි 21 වෙනිදා විතරයි. ඊට කලින් ඔයාලා රෙජිස්ටර් වුණොත් රෙජිස්ට්‍රේෂන් ෆී එක සහ පළවෙනි වාරිකය ගෙවලා ඔයාලට 35,000ක 34,500කට තමයි ඔයාලගේ කෝස් එක හම්බ වෙන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ 125ක ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක අපි ලබා දෙනවා. හැබැයි ඔයාලා රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්නේ රෙජිස්ට්‍රේෂන් ෆී එක පමණක් ගෙවලා නම් ඔයාලට හම්බ වෙන්නේ 105ක වට්ටමක් තමයි. ඒ නිසා ඉක්මනටම රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්න පුළුවන් උඹලට මේ කෝස් එක ෆලෝ කරන්න. එතකොට අපි ඔයාලට විශේෂ වට්ටමක් ප්ලාස්ටික් කරලා තියෙනවා 50ක් වෙනකම් කණ්ඩායම් වශයෙන් වෙන අතුලත් වීම සඳහා. එතකොට ඔයාලා විශේෂයෙන්ම විශ්වවිද්‍යාල සිසුන් නම් ඔයාලට ගෲප් එකක් වශයෙන්ම අපේ ඒ කියන්නේ බැජ් එකට ජොයින් වෙන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඔයාලට 50ක් දක්වා වට්ටමක් ලබා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේකේ වැඩි විස්තර සඳහා උඹලට පුළුවන් අපේ කෝස් කෝඩිනේටර්ව සම්බන්ධ කරගන්න. මම එයාගේ නම්බර් එක පෙන්නන්නම්. This is the name, this is the phone number of our coordinator, Miss Yadiga. So you can write it down or take a screenshot. Okay, you can contact her for more details. So if you want to know regarding the group discounts and anything else, you can contact her. Please take it as a note. Okay, so your MAP QS lecturer will be Miss Fatima Asha. She will conduct a session after the introductory session. So she is a lecturer. She is currently reading her MSc in Building Services Engineering. She is a senior production manager, a member of double IES. Okay, so if you have questions, you can raise it through chat box. Uh, we will uh, we will answer to them uh, during the session or end of the session. And we have a special note. We are sharing a link to the to your Zoom chat to confirm your registration for the MAP QS course. So you can register to the course by using that link. මම ඔයාලට ෂෙයා කරනවා ලින්ක් එකක් MEPQS පාඨමාලාවට ඇතුළත් වෙන්න Zoom chat එකේ ඒකේ අදම රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්න පුළුවන් 21 වෙනකම් විතරයි අපේ මේ offer එක valid වෙන්නේ ඒ නිසා අදම මේකට join වෙන්න ඔයාලගේ confirmation එක ඔයාලට Zoom chat එක through ලබා දෙන්න පුළුවන් okay. So that's all. So, okay. So I would like to invite Miss Fatima Assa to proceed the session. Miss Assa, you can conduct the session now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Miss Deshika. Okay, so good evening, everyone. Hope you all can hear me well. So we'll start the session. Right. So we'll start with the session. This is MAP in quantity surveying. As you all know, you all professionals, you all must know about these MAP QS, at least up to a certain level. So this is like a summarization or overall building services which we are providing to a construction building. Okay, so this will cover all the areas, not only mechanical, not only civil, not only electrical, all over the all building services which we are providing to a building. Really sorry for the inconvenience. I just got stuck with the presentation. Okay, hope you all can see my slides now. Okay, so really sorry for the inconvenience. I just got stuck with this one. Right, so we discussed about the MAP. So here, most of the people, they got misunderstanding with by just looking this term, MAP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. Not only mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, this will cover up many more building services, which can be summarized under mechanical work, or which can be, we can include under electrical works, or maybe can be included under civil work. We can categorize it. That's why we are giving a short form like MEP. That doesn't mean that only the mechanical works like these ACs or any other mechanical components, or not only the electrical like lightings, fans, regulators, these things. No, it covers all the building services. But the thing is, all the building services we can summarize, we can categorize under mechanical, some components coming under mechanical. Some sections are coming under it should be run through a electrical system, electricity. And final part is we have to provide some water supply or waste disposal or any other water connection to be involved with that system. So these kind of systems, okay, we have to like categorize, we can summarize, and we can put it under these three categories. That's why we call it as MEPQS. Okay, so here, this mechanical part, if we take under mechanical services, here we are going to discuss about the air conditioning systems, right? I'll just discuss all these factors. But here we are going to prioritize the HVAC system because large industries or high-scale projects, they use this HVAC system. But we are not going to stop with this one. We are discussing about the air conditioning systems. We can be use VRV systems, VRV or VRF systems. That means like normal ACs, right? If we think about a AC system, we have a split unit. Just think it has an indoor unit and an outdoor unit, right? So, but in HVAC, those systems can be cooled only a single room. A small area can be cooled using AC units. But if we go through this HVAC system, it will cover up a large building. It can be provided high volume to a complete building. So this system is different than AC unit. AC in the sense that is just a unit, but HVAC is a complete system, consists with many components. It has to work as a team. There are so many components together, only it will work. Otherwise, if one component has a issue, if there is any component broken, or if there is any issues arise in a component, this complete system will not work. So likewise, here it will provide not only air conditioning, but also it can provide ventilation, humidification, dehumidification. Likewise, there are several other purposes, other advantages also here in this HVAC system. So in this one, mainly we are focusing on large scale projects, and this system will provide heating, also cooling as well. Okay, so heating, but in AC units, you can clearly see that only one option is available. But in this case, in HVAC system, if we want heating option, it can be provided. Also, if we require cooling option, it also can be provided using, there are some component inside this HVAC system. So it can be connected to a heater or it can be connected to a chiller according to the client's requirements. Okay. So the other function is ventilation. Ventilation, in the sense, I'll explain it as simple as that. So like, just think about your room, your house, okay? There are so many windows, doors. So once you open all these vent ports, once you open all the doors and windows, air from the outside comes to the uh, inner rooms or the space, and it automatically, like, we are not going to do anything. Just if you open the vent ports, it will come inside the space, circulate within the space and purge back to the environment. So this process is called ventilation. Air circulation, fresh air circulation process is called as a ventilation process. So this process, if we want, we can manually provide, or if, as I said before, naturally. It will provide naturally. Even if you open all the doors and windows, it will naturally happens. Okay. No need to force, no need to provide any mechanical system, no need to do anything else. It just happens. So there is ventilation, that option also available in this HVAC system. Right. So we'll move to the other section. And not only HVAC system, there are many more other systems also. For medium scale projects, we can use FCU systems. It's like fan coil unit. There is one unit, it doing the recycling process only. Here in this HVAC system, there are many options are there. Recycling also available, but it takes outside air and doing the process, and it will supply the cool air to the required building. But FCU means it's used for the medium scale projects. It can do the recycling process only. It means it will absorb the polluted air from the room, and then it recycles, reconditions the air and supply back to the same room. So that is just a recycling process happens. And some more systems also there, like a VRF system, VRV systems. So these are also used for medium scale projects. But for the high-rise projects, high-scale projects, here these are the purpose, these are the functions it can provide, but there are many more components are there to provide, to supply all these functions. Okay, right. So I'll move to the next section, that is electrical systems. Here, electrical systems can be divided into three categories, like high voltage electrical systems are there, medium voltage electrical systems, also low voltage electrical systems. And these electrical systems can be divided as power distribution and lighting systems. Okay, power and lighting. Again, we can divide. So if we go with the high voltage systems, we are getting the electricity from electricity board, from some power distribution panels are there, like distribution. In your house, you can see some power distribution boards, or you will say, I think, trip board or trip switch. Yeah, ගෙදර තියෙනවනේ පොඩි box වලගේ මොකක් හරි ගෙදර misuse කරපු මොන හරි overload මොන හරි use කරපු ගමන් trip එක off වෙනවා වගේ board එකක් ඇති ඔයාලා ගාව, right? ගෙදර, right? ඒක power distribution. From there only we are distributing the power, right? And once we distribute the power to all the circuits in our building, then from there we can provide the lighting. We can provide the connections to the lights, fan, regulators, ACs, whatever it is. So here see, the මෙතන බලන්න මෙතන අපි electricity දෙනවා AC එකටත් electricity ඕනේනේ work කරන්න. So all are interconnected. Not only electrical system, not only light and fans, but even though AC unit, we should provide electricity to run it, right? Water tank එකක් ගත්තොත් water tank එක run කරන්නේ කොහොමද? Electricity නැතුව motor එක run කරන්නේ කොහොමද? So whatever the system is interconnected to each and every. That's why it's called an MEP system, right? So this is the idea. Then medium voltage. So lights, power, fans, regulators, other systems, other lighting systems we are using in our building coming under medium voltage. And the final one is extra low voltage. This requires a very, very, very less voltage, below 50 volts. Okay, make it on it. ගොඩාක් අඩු voltage එකක්, small voltage ඒකට අපිට electric shock එකක් වැදෙන්නේ නැති තරමට පොඩි voltage එකක්. Okay, so here under extra low voltage coming these telephone data and intercom systems, security systems, entertainment purpose, we are using some systems. No, these kind of systems are coming under extra low voltage system. Okay, telephone data, intercom systems are there. Some CCTV and security systems we have to provide, right? Definitely to our building. And some access control systems are there, like even in your office, you have daily, I think you are signing in, you are keeping your fingerprint, right? When you're entering or exiting the place, you are keeping fingerprint. That's also access control system. So likewise, not only fingerprint, there are face detections are there, eye detection process are there, and also many more systems, barcode reading and some other systems also there. All right. That is coming under access control system, which runs with a very, very, very less voltage. Okay. The other one is smart TV system. Satellite master antenna television. TV. Simply TV. Right? Entertainment purpose, we are using televisions. So high scale projects, they use this smart TV system, or maybe they can use MAT TV. So these are coming under extra low voltage. Okay, so have you heard in airports or in railway station, in sports stadiums and auditoriums and in schools, right? They use some kind of a system to give a message to a certain people, certain group of people, not to everyone, but to some of them, right? This is coming under public address system. We use microphones, speakers, these kind of components to provide a message to a group of people only. That is coming under public address system, which runs with a very less voltage. Okay, it is coming under extra low voltage. So මේ වගේ systems run කරන්නේ very, we can go down 40 voltage එකකින්. ඒක නිසා තමයි ඒකට extra low voltage කියලා කියන්නේ. And not only that, but in our car parks, in industrial, in large scale projects, they are using some vehicle barrier system, so car parking system. That means it will detect the vehicle. For example, our car park only can access 20 vehicles. But what if another vehicle enters the vehicle barrier, car park? This vehicle barrier will not allow. It will stay closed, right? And the vehicle cannot enter the car park. That means it has systemized to allow only 20 vehicles to this vehicle barrier. Once the once the space is filled, it will not allow any other vehicles to enter. So that is the vehicle barrier system or car parking system. Okay. Hope you all can like understand what I'm telling. If there is anything else, we'll discuss in the end of the session. Okay. Okay. So our next category is plumbing and drainage, water supply and waste disposal system. මේක තමයි අපිට ඇත්තටම අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම බිල්ඩින් එකට අපි දෙන්නම ඕනේ facility එක service එක. That means this is the most important and this should be the must. Water supply, how much it is important to give the water supply, that much important to dispose the waste in a proper way. මෙතනින් තමයි අර waste disposal ඊට උන් නැත්තම් ඒ use කරන client ලගේ health එක. Waste කියන්නේ waste එක කිව්වම it releases a fall gas. ඒ අර release කරන fall gas එක ඇත්තටම not good to health. So drainage or the waste disposal should be provided in a very good manner. Right? Water supply එකත් important. ඒ තරමටම waste disposal එක important. ඒක හරියට උනේ නැත්නම් ඒ occupy කරන කට්ටියගේ health issues එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක සෞඛ්‍යයට අහිතකරයි. So we need to provide a proper waste disposal system with proper system. Right? We have some disposal systems. We are using separate disposal systems with separate waste sump and waste collectors. We are using to that. And water supply. Here we should take care. We should very careful to provide a very purified water for the drinking purpose. Drinking, washing, or cooking purpose. We should provide the purified water, right? It should be clean and clear water because this is a this is the very important factor or very important service for buildings we should provide. So we should have consider and very carefully we have to handle these two sections. All right. So next one is, as I told you in the very beginning, this is MEP means all the building services. Not only mechanical, electrical, plumbing. Now we have reached to fire protection system. So in this one, it is not coming under MEP. But why? Why didn't include this one under our heading? What is the reason? Have you think about that? Oh, you know that fire protection also coming under MEP services. Right? So here, the thing is, fire protection means it can be divided as I have given here. It can be divided as fire detection, fire alarm, and protection. Right? Once the fire is detected, if there is a fire, only we can go for the next step, for the fire protection. If we doesn't know that there is a fire happening, how can we do the protection? Right? So there are some fire detection systems we have used in the building. That is basically some mechanical components we are using, some detectors, detection devices we are using. So detection devices coming under mechanical. තේරෙනවද? එතකොට මේ devices එන්නේ mechanical category එකට යටතේ. Mechanical components ඒවා. So detection system එක අපිට mechanical එකට include කරන්න පුළුවන්. So that's why we didn't point out this fire protection anywhere in the heading, right? So this one we can put it under mechanical, M letter. Fire alarm system, how it can work alarm without electricity. So fire alarm system, each and every floor have fire alarms. So to work this fire alarm, there should be an electricity connection. Electrically, we should provide the connection to work it. So this one we can put it under E letter, electrical. And finally, fire protection system. So once these fire detected through the detection devices, and at the same time, this detection device provides a signal to the fire alarm, which works with the electrical connection. And this fire alarm operates at the same time this signal goes to another fire alarm control unit. From there, it will send a return signal to the component that is called a sprinkler, right? That is also a mechanical component which sprays water. So spraying water means from where we are taking the water supply system from the water tanks. So this final part is coming under P, plumbing. Understood? Now, so that's why we don't put this fire protection under the MEP heading, because this can be divided to mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. MEP. So MEP is a summarized like a abbreviation of all the building services we should provide to a construction building. It may be a small scale project, medium scale project, or maybe a high scale project. Whatever it is, all these building services should be provided to the buildings, right? So this is the basic idea of MEP, and in detail we have to discuss so many things under MEP, but this is a sketch for you to understand what is MEP. So once here in this one, this is actually MEP QS. We are not going to in deeply discuss about the building services, but here this is MEP QS. In this one, you should identify the services first, right? And you will be getting some drawings. All drawings හම්බෙනවා. ඒ drawing වලින් ඔයාලා කොහොමද as a QS ඔයාලගේ duty එක usually around like cost estimation department එක වටේට තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ගොඩක් QS ලා ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ, right? QS have a wide variety of job opportunities, but unfortunately in Sri Lanka, most of the students, I have conducted more than 100 of batches, but up to now, most of the students are working in the cost estimation department. Most of the students. So you have the main focus on this bill of quantities, right? Here, if you get the MEP drawings, you should be able to read the MEP drawing. There are many symbols, many abbreviations are there. So many things you have to identify the drawing. You have to identify the process, which kind of a system they are using. If you think about the mechanical services, you should identify which system they are using, maybe the HVAC one or VRV system or anything else. You should be able to read the drawing, read the specifications, read the symbols and abbreviations, and you have to take off measurement from that drawing. Then only you can prepare a bill, right? You have to calculate the cost. If you know the items only, you can take off from the drawing. And if you know to take off from the drawings only, you can prepare the bill of quantities, right? So likewise, Bill of quantities is the most important thing, part of a QS industry. So to prepare this one, you should know how to do this estimation and costing from the drawings. To estimate or to prepare a bill, you should able to read the drawing first, right? So estimation may be coming like a tentative estimate before starting the construction. If we doesn't have any enough drawings or any enough relevant details, අපිට අවශ්‍ය තරම් details නැතිනම් අපිට tentative estimate එකකට යන්න පුළුවන්. Tentative estimate කියන්නේ rough estimate එකක්. Previous work, previous similar projects දිහා බලලා we can get an idea and we can prepare the cost. That is just a rough estimation only, tentative only, right? If the client is okay with the project, if he is going to start the project, then we have to do it in a proper way. That is coming under bill of quantities. Okay? Bill of quantities කියද්දී අපිට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඒකට අවශ්‍ය details ඔක්කොම තියෙන්න ඕනේ, නැතුව කරන්න බෑ. Drawings, specifications, okay? Drawing specification, conditions of contract, අර ඒ වගේ list of details තියෙනවා අපිට අවශ්‍ය. ඒ ඔක්කොම දුන්නොත් විතරයි අපිට detail estimate එකකට එහෙම නැත්නම් BOQ එකකට යන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. Right. So the other one is, now with the client and consultant we can't do this process. So definitely there should be another person, a contractor, to hand over this, to carry on this project, right? So selecting a contractor is a bit difficult process, right? If we already have a person personally knows that he is having a high background of construction industry, he has many years experience as well. If he has good cash flow, we can go for that. But if we are selecting a person from the beginning, that means we have to go for a tendering process, right? For tendering process, even we should have those relevant document, as I said before. Okay. So tendering is the process where we are calling an invitation. We are providing an invitation in the newspaper, or we are publishing a gazette announcing some contractors to take over our project. We are calling applications, we are calling the tenderers out there, contractors out there to come and join our project. That is called a tender procedure, tendering process. Okay. I think you all have seen this bidding, the invitation to tenderers, or bid invitation has published in the newspapers, gazettes. So this is a tender process. After selecting a contractor or subcontractor, we can go for the construction work. So this is the process of MEPQS, or the construction industry. Okay. Finally, we are going for the construction. After selecting the contractor, we can go for the construction. Okay. So now, up to now, we have discussed what is MEP and what is the details of quantity surveyors, duties, and everything. Now, we'll move to what are the responsibilities, what are the duties of a MEPQS person. It is mostly similar than a QS person's duties and responsibilities. MEP means just like a additional part added to your duties. I think I don't know about the students join here. I hope everyone working in a ME QS relevant or engineering relevant job, or if you are studying in engineering relevant or QS relevant field, that is okay. right? But I just commonly I'll tell. So if you are a QS, MEP QS duties are more similar with your duties. But if you are a mechanical, electrical, or civil engineer, right, these duties are a little bit different than your current duties. So here you have to, that main focus is you should be able to read the MEP drawings. You should be able to check out the measurements, take off measurements from that, and to prepare a bill of quantity, mainly for the tendering process. And after that construction process also, you have to prepare the bill of quantity if there is any changes in the scope. If not, no need. Same bill of quantity we can maintain. And the person should have initial to check out the project, like supervise the project, what's happening, what's going on in the construction, and he have to check out the documents, right? And there are some as-built drawings or some other shop drawings in between where, like, if there is any changes, we have to check out the schematic drawings and all. These things a MEP person have to do. And he has to conduct some meetings with the contractors, and also if there is any some subcontractors, he has to take some meetings with them to check out their progress, and if there is any requirements or anything else, he has to take care of these things. He has to lead the project, but he is coming under consultant, but however, these things have to do by himself, right? And also, if there is any changes, right? If there is any changes in the construction, or if there is any changes arising in the cost, right? He has to take care of it. Like he has to go for cost control works. Likewise, he has to do some other cost estimation, cost controlling, negotiations. See, these kind of works he has to involve in. But when you started to work in this field, this will be like a regular work, so you don't need to bother about it. If you are working in QS industry, I think you all know about these structures. So these are the main duties and responsibilities as a MEP QS you have to involve. Okay. Right. So that's all about the MEP QS functions and the duties. This is the overall process we are going to discuss in your class. This will be in detail, each and every section we are going to discuss in your class. Hope you all can understand what I have explained up to now. But if you have any doubts or any questions or anything else, you can just arise it now. Any questions? තව දෙයක් තියෙනවා දැන් ඔයාලට basic medium එක English යන්නේ, right? But I can explain it in Sinhala. But Sinhalin explain කරන්න පුළුවන්, no problem. ඔයාලට එහෙම තේරුන්නේ නැති point එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාලට මොන හරි question එකක් අහන්න ඕන නම් any language, I am okay with it. මොන හරි අහන්න තියෙනද questions මොන හරි තියෙනද? Okay, අපි chat box එක බලමු. Chat box එකේ messages වගේක් තියෙනවා. course content එක මං හිතන්නේ ඔයාලගේ group එකේ දාලා තිබුණා. එහෙම නැත්නම් coordinator ගෙන් ඉල්ලන්න පුළුවන්. Not NVQ available in this MEPQS course. Okay, MEPQS එකේ TVC එක විතරයි available. ඒකත් මාස 3 course එක. NVQ certificate එක MEPQS එකට නම් මම දන්න විදිහට දෙන්නේ නැහැ. coordinator එක්ක පොඩක් කතා කරලා බලන්න. අපි දෙන්නේ TVC certificate එකට. මොන හරි doubts තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාලට අහන්න පුළුවන්. මේ time එක ඔයාලා වෙනුවෙන් තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. මොන හරි questions තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. ඔව් මට yeah என்ன languageலயும் எனக்கு explain பண்ணேலும் no problem but medium එක මම ආයෙත් කියනවා lecturing medium එක English explanations ඕනේ නම් Sinhala Tamil any language I can explain හැබැයි English තමයි medium එක හරිනේ ඔව් civil engineering field එකටත් useful වෙනවා මේක MEPQS කියන්නේ overall ඔයා හැම field එකම ඉගෙන ගත්තා වගේ එකක් වෙන්නේ ඔයාගේ qualification එක add වෙනවා මේක extra curriculum එකක් වගේ ඔයාට extra professional qualification එකක් ඔයාගේ මේකට add වෙන්නේ so this will be very useful for any field of students this will give you a additional professional qualification so that you can work in the civil field or you can switch it to MEPQS also. If you have get enough MEPQS experience, you can move to MEP engineering that will give you a highly recognized in your industry. Right. Okay, you're welcome. So, any other questions? You can discuss it within this period. Building Services Engineering Diploma connecting MEPQS course using. මෙහෙමයි building service engineering වල MEP or building services පැත්ත cover වෙනවා MEP QS කියන එක right MEP QS කියන්නේ වෙනම section එකක් ඒක civil වල cover වෙන්නෙත් නැහැ QS වලින් cover වෙන්නෙත් නැහැ QS කට්ටියට QS විතරයි cover වෙන්නේ එතනින් building service engineering කෙනෙක්ට MEP කියන එක ලේසියෙන් මොනවාද capture කරගන්න පුළුවන් හැබැයි MEP QS take off measurement BOQ preparation drawing read කරන ඒවාට මං හිතන්නේ I don't think so ඔයාගේ content එකේ ඒක තියෙයි කියලා building service engineering ඔයා බලන්න ඔයාගේ දෙනවනේ මේක course modules ඒකත් එක්ක බලන්න මං හිතන්නේ අර practical section එක ඔයාට cover වෙන්නේ නැහැ ඒක නිසා ඔයාටත් මේ course එක use වෙනවා මං දන්න building services කරපු building service engineering කරපු කට්ටියත් මේ course එක follow කරලා තියෙනවා. එලා industry එකේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය තමයි යාලා follow කරේ. එතකොට යාලට මේ industry එකේ section එක cover වුණ නැති නිසා තමයි යාලා මේ පැත්තට ඇවිල්ලා මේක professional course එකක් විදිහට follow කරේ. Yeah. Anything else? No one is talking. Just talk and ask. If you have any questions, you can talk to me. Am I that much to be scared? ප්‍රශ්න මොනවද තියෙනවද? No questions. Is there any assignments or test after complete? Yeah, definitely. There is an assignment you have to submit. Not test, I'm not going for exams or test, but the assignments are there. Okay, wait. I'll check the settings. You are not able to unmute your mics. Sorry for that. Um, The problem is I am not the host. Miss Darshika, can you allow the students to unmute their mic? Because I am not the host now. Currently, you're the host, right?
Okay, miss, give me time.
Now everyone can, right? Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead with your questions now. Questions ටික chat box එකේ මහලා ඉවරද එතකොට? So, is Dineshka, Deshika, do you have anything like, shall we wind up the session?
Okay, miss. So, students, we have dropped the WhatsApp link for you to register. So, you can click on that and register today. So, the offer valid until the 21st May. So, I think the lecturer covered all the details regarding the course content and all. So, if you are interested, you can drop the message you can confirm your registration through the WhatsApp group. So that's all in my end. So if do you have any question regarding anything?
Civil engineering background to follow and understand this course, Abe Vikrama. Civil students can understand this course because when I'm explaining mechanical part, for example, when I'm explaining mechanical part, I'll explain the theory part, I'll explain in deep, right? Not only this is just like a summarization because we have only 1 hour. We don't have enough much time to explain each and every sections. But when I'm explaining mechanical theory, I'll take much time because it is the most little bit difficult part than the other electrical and plumbing. When I explaining electrical theories, I'll take much time to explain that. Likewise, all the theories I am taking more time to explain according to the students who I am handling with. If there are more civil students, I'll take little time to explain plumbing and drainage because you have this one, no? You have the knowledge in that one. So if I'll check about the students who I'm handling, and then I'll explain each and every sections very deeply. Okay. Lecture time එක change කරන්න. ඔයා පොඩ්ඩක් coordinator එක discuss කරලා බලන්න. අපි time දෙකක් දීලා තියෙනවනේ සෙන්සුරාදා night time එකයි Sunday evening time එකයි දීලා තියෙනවා. ඔයා මේ දෙකෙන් එක option එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. මේ දෙකත් අමාරුයි නම් coordinator එක discuss කරලා time එක online time එක වෙනස් කරගන්න ඕන. අනිත් අයත් එක්ක discuss කරලා coordinator ඒක ඔයාට inform කරන්න. Yeah, a recording will be provided to your LMS probably. So regarding the recording also, you just coordinate the coordinator, call the coordinator. She will guide you. AutoCAD included in this course. AutoCAD is not included. AutoCAD එක නම් include වෙන්නේ නැහැ. AutoCAD වලට වෙනම course එකක් තියෙනවා මම හිතන්නේ SFS Academy එකේ. ඔයාලට ඒක follow
Excuse
කරන්න
me.
පුළුවන්.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, we are offering AutoCAD a different course in AutoCAD 2D and 3D. So if you wish to follow, you can contact the course coordinator. Okay?
AutoCAD is a different program. You can learn it differently. Like you can call coordinator and you can join the program. Okay, you're welcome. So, anything else? Okay, Miss Deshika, then shall we wind up the session? Can you do you have anything else to tell the students?
No, ma'am. So we can wind up. Thank you everyone for joining today. So yeah, good night.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you all of you to joining today's session. Everyone, good night and hope you to see you in the class.